Okay, good afternoon and welcome to a new daily outlook and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm sharing you my trading journey and I'm showing you every fail I make and I'm showing you the true process a trader has to go through. And yeah, for this week, we are already in a position since Friday. We took this entry over here after a strong reaction to the downside. We create a small zone of demand, and that's where we entered. We place our stop loss below it, and now we're still waiting on getting that take profit over here, like see TP Island, and yeah, maybe for a higher high. We're not sure. We're currently ranging in this area. We could also take out a little bit of liquidity over here and then go back up again. So this might also be like a new kind of supply or demand for the future. If it's gonna be back to entry, yeah, we will see what's going to happen. We don't care. Trades is trade. This is our edge. That's what we want to do. We're just waiting. I would love to see also on the 4 hour just this high to be taken out because we kind of set a new construction over here. We hit our low. We took out all this liquidity, and ever since that it was trading heaven. We took our shorts over here. We also hit a take profit over here, and then we went back in towards the longs. And currently we're waiting for our new take profit and maybe going back into the highs over here where it's a nice and pretty supply zone. And yeah, we could wait in this area, but this area is already tested here, so I'm not really too interested anymore in shorts in this zone. If we want to go short there, I really want to wait for a very strong confirmation, but we don't have that yet, and the current leg is up, so we just want to follow the trend. Yeah, and that is what it is. We can place our game box over here, perhaps. We don't know where this leg is gonna end. Maybe also in this supply zone, and then wait for a retrace and go again with the trend, or just looking for the short, just like we did here. And yeah, how did we start today? We had our plan on USD CAT, but guess what happened? We got front run this morning already. We thought, yeah, this is a really nice entry, but unfortunately, we missed, and this time we missed it. Yeah, for next time, maybe we should be more aggressive on the shorts because we had our kind of a break, but also here we had a break of structure. So why did we miss this trade? We're gonna review it. Okay, just tapped in very slightly into the 50 zone. Um, yeah, we had our chance to go in. It's unfortunate, but maybe, I'm just maybe, this is our new supply zone. Just gonna wait for a little reaction. So maybe if we will retrace back in towards this supply zone, we can just follow the trend all along, going more down. And that means also if we have a reaction here, maybe in price, we can just look for a little pullback up and go long. And same for me. Did happen this morning. We had our beautiful plan on GBP, Swiss franc, and yeah, you can guess what time it is, what time of the week it is. Front run day, and yeah, very unfortunate again. I would have loved to see this liquidity above here to be taken out, but it didn't happen. So next time on shorts, be more aggressive when my edge is there. It actually got hit beautiful. We already could have entered over here in this area. So what did we do wrong? We're gonna review it here now. I was not too sure about this because this was just very minor price action. I would have loved to see that second leg up and then go all the way back down. That did not happen. We had a small liquidity grab in this area with this wick and then go down. So yeah, it would have been a very beautiful trade. We missed it. We're not gonna play in FOMO. We're just gonna wait. The price is moving right now, so we're gonna make until new price action is going to form itself. There is a new supply zone over here, so we might go retrace back in this zone. Also, we're gonna just wait for a little bit of yeah, until the retrace is about to form back in towards here, so we can make a, a little long trade there, but I wouldn't count on it for now. We're just gonna take a look. What did we tap? I'm out here. Currently, I get yeah, that would be. Huh? I have like an alert on USD cut. I don't really know why. Probably on another. Yeah, it's also here. I placed in this chart. I got tapped in actually on Friday, but I on my MT5 I didn't place the order right. Apparently, unfortunately, it's a really beautiful trade. It is what it is. We missed out, and now we're just gonna wait for the next. Actually, it gives a lot of confidence. I'm in the right direction, and yeah, guess what? Same thing happened on EU. We didn't have. We last week we missed, and we got our stop losses last week in this area for the short. We didn't play the short very well. Then for the long, we were too eager to enter. And then when we finally wanted to enter, because the price action is actually very beautiful, and right now I just see what they did wrong. Also, for this kind of trades in future, I need to be a bit more aggressive once this entire move has been played out. I need to look internally what is happening here, and then place my trade just like I did on gold. And yeah, well, if I still get my take profit in this trade, it's not a wrong start of the week. It is totally fine. This is something I draw before, and of course it didn't play out. And I also didn't trade this one. I didn't have my confirmation anyway, because what can we break over here? Nothing. There's only this zone of demand, which got respected very well. Uh, Possibly it's also close towards the 50 zone. So yeah, we're gonna wait also over here until we might get back in towards our demand zone, and before we will head back up towards, which is actually very beautiful right now. Look at this. We can actually target this high in future, and I don't want to go below this area anymore. We also, in between, we created a new demand zone. Um, I don't want to be too eager at this moment. Possibly, yeah, we're gonna follow the trend and place our stop loss not too tight. Yeah, we're just gonna wait until, because also on the higher time frame, you see the place where the price stopped. Yeah, this is very beautiful. So we are going very aggressively back in towards the new highs, and yeah, that's actually what I want to wait for. This is all liquidity above here, so we can take this. All of this can be taken out. It is actually beautiful price action in this month now already, and yeah, for now there's not really a lot of things what we can do except waiting, and that's also the main job of a trader. In the past, I've been so impatient, and yeah, we're just gonna wait maybe until the price will come back here, then place our entry. Could be an option. Yeah, other than that, what kind of, yeah, what charts do we, what's more, I don't want to hunt too many charts altogether. Euro NZD. Now we're gonna take a look. I think it's good enough just to have a few pairs to watch other than a lot. um, Currently I'm not very much into this pair. I've been trading this pretty well in the past. We just came back from our discount zone actually, and yeah, apparently we just made a new leg up here. It's also already traded in towards our 50, which is nice. But what we took out liquidity also above here. Did we had our chance to go short? Maybe. Um, we also tapped in towards our 50 again. No, I'm not saying this is too much in the mid price range. This is not really my kind of play. What else do we have? GPY. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Price is moving. So when prices move, we need to be patient. We need to wait on structures. I think also just the DXY is falling at this moment. Yeah, very beautiful area got respected, and right now is the moment for DXY to fall. We missed those trades, and that's okay. That's really okay. We're gonna wait just for the next opportunity, what might form in the next couple of days. Maybe we will just wait until the 50 zone get hit over here. So we will have a retrace also on EU. We have like a little demand zone over here. So we probably can just wait until the price hit this area and also below this. It's very interesting point. So we can expect a retrace from there. So also then for EU, price is way too bullish. Okay, that's it for now. I don't have any plans yet. I don't want to focus on too many pairs. We can only check up the euro index, which is actually in a nice zone, but we're reacting very strongly. We in our leg up, so yeah, I think I just want to wait for a continuation actually. So, but yeah, possibly euro GBP is maybe the only thing what we can do, but it's still not that beautiful. Just maybe we'll wait until our price alert will go off, and then we will see what's happening. Um, that might be the only opportunity we have right now, even though the price action is not that beautiful yet. But we have our demands on here, like a little. So we're gonna see what happened. I would love to see the price see more range over here before we tap back in towards this demand. Otherwise, it might be too soon. I'm not. I don't know yet. Tomorrow, new chances, and we might hit RTP today on gold. So yeah, then it's still a wrap if we hit it. And in 2 days, I'm gonna request my payout, and I will share with you guys when I have it, and I will make a screenshot and post it in this channel. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.